Sarah, tell me what happened last night.
Santa came and he get down the chimney.
Where? Can you show me what you found? Oh, it looks like you got your stocking already.
Yeah, and he went down, and he jumped out.
Well, what did he leave?
He leave when it was morning. He go up the chimney and go to everybody's house.
Well, did he leave something for you?
Yes, and our stockings.
What else? What's right there?
It's so fun.
Who's that dog right there? I see a dog.
That's Pongo with my rollerblade.
Oh, is that what you wanted?
Yes, that's what I wanted for Christmas.
Wow.
I want to buy one.
What do you got there, Scott?
Wow.
Wow. Scotty, did you get rollerblades?
Yes.
Hi. What are those, Scotty?
Mine.
Let me see. Show them to me.
That's mine. I think it's mine.
No.
Those are mine. I think it's mine. See?
Did you get rollerblades?
Yeah, we're putting them.
Is that what you asked Santa Claus for?
Yeah, and we want to go outside with our coats to rollerblade.
Well, look at all the other presents you got under the tree.